Kineno jaod bura mafafi Sala Yakub owuon odok ne paro ma en go mar chwalo agenda mar golo oko chik matamo jatend piny mako lemono kuom ma ohewo tam ariyo. Sala wacho ni obiro dhi nyime gi chwalo agenda no kata odoko ni sani to imedo kwede. Owacho ni mano en agenda mare owuon ma ok mar duond bura mare.
I think we did a mistake during Kibaki time in that he came in, we given him only 2 terms, and the 2 terms have done marvelous. But the constitution removed him in that he could not go further. But I believe if we could have given him 1 or 2 terms again, maybe we could have reached the status of Malaysia or Singapore or any other person. It's not a party stance. It has nothing to do with the current president. It has nothing to do with the government. It has nothing to do with anybody else other than Kenyans. This is a debate which will have come, which will come, and will continue to come. It's something we discussed with quite some number of legislators. I don't want to mention names. It has nothing to do with UDA, it has nothing to do with ODM or any other person. It is something to do with Kenyans. And those of us who are discussing it were Kenyans, MPs, and even the locals.